Okay, this is in a 2017 Camaro. What we end up doing, we end up installing the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. That way he doesn't have to carry another remote control, and it kind of defeats the keyless to go, because if you have another remote, you got to hit that remote instead of doing this. So, you know, that's why we came up with these shock sensor add-on kits. That way the customer doesn't have to install another alarm and keep everything nice and clean. This is a Camaro. Basically, if you look at the beginning of the video in the first picture, they went ahead and cut out this whole hole here to try to get in and open the door. So the shock sensor will take care of any impact from bumper to bumper. From factory, if the door's open, the alarm will fire off along with the hood and the trunk. But the problem is, you're probably asking yourself the question of why do I have to add anything to the factory alarm if it came with a factory alarm? It is because factory alarms don't come with any type of impact sensors. This car, the Camaro, all the Chevy lines, all the Ford lines, basically BMW, Lexus, Hondas, they all don't come with any type of sensors. They only work if the door is open or the hood or the trunk. So by adding the shock sensor, now it became like if we added an aftermarket alarm without having to add an aftermarket alarm, without you having to have another remote control in the keychain. Basically, if somebody tries to bust out the lug nut locks, I'm going to show you. The factory alarm will go off, and to turn it off, you hit the unlock like you always do. I'm going to go ahead and rearm it. You got that little chirp. Basically, factory alarms, by the way, when you arm it, you got to give it at least about 10-15 seconds before you try to trigger it again, because they have like a little delay. They do that so the car has to settle down when you get out of the car and you close the door. Basically, again, if somebody tries to bust out the keyhole or whatnot, turn it off. And of course, if somebody tries to break the window, the alarm will fire off. It works from any side of the vehicle, anywhere from bumper to bumper. By the way, this car is pretty nice. I like the color. Looks like a metallic silver. It's pretty nice color. It matches the rims really well. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this window. And this will conclude our shock sensor add-on video in this 2017 Camaro. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, and we appreciate you watching this video.